Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to integrate ShipRocket with Biz365 e-commerce website. So what is ShipRocket? A ShipRocket is a shipping aggregator in India using which you can manage your entire shipping cycle. So whenever an order is placed, if you want that order should start reflecting in your ShipRocket account, and then somebody from ShipRocket will come in and pick up your orders from your place and deliver it to the customer. That entire shipping aggregation can be done using ShipRocket. So the first thing you need to do is create a ShipRocket account. I've already created a ShipRocket account. After that, I'm going to log in and go to settings. And in settings, I'm going to go to configure. Now when I go to configure, I can create an API user. So mind you, I'm not going to create an email ID and a password out here, but let's say my email ID was shop29@gmail.com and my password was something. I'm going to take this email ID and password and I'm going to paste it on the system. I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we do that, we are going to actually click on this. I'm not clicking on this right now. I'm assuming that you've clicked on it. But then what I'm going to do is go here, go to settings, go to shipping partners. And in shipping partners, I can put in the same email ID as shop29@gmail.com and put in that password. And once I've done these two things, my entire shipping will be integrated with ShipRocket, and entire shipping will be managed using ShipRocket. So whenever a user places an order, that order will start appearing directly in the ShipRocket orders, and the entire shipping can be managed through ShipRocket. Thank you.